In the thrilling eighth labor of Heracles, the hero is tasked with capturing the vicious Mares of Diomedes, flesh-eating horses belonging to the Thracian king. These terrifying creatures roamed the plains, striking fear with their wild, untamed nature. Heracles, known for his unmatched strength and bravery, devises a brilliant plan to tame them. He and his companions first lull the horses to sleep, showcasing not just his physical prowess, but his sharp wit and strategy. Do you think you'd have the courage to face such ferocious beasts like Heracles did? Comment below with your thoughts. Remember, if you enjoy these thrilling tales of heroism, hit the like button and subscribe for more riveting adventures.